Everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and today I've got a super simple treat that's perfect for the upcoming 4th of July holiday or anytime you want something cool, sweet, and delicious. These graham cracker ice cream sandwiches are super easy, and I can't wait to show you how they all come together. Okay, we are gonna make some easy peasy ice cream sandwiches, and with the 4th of July coming up, I thought this would be a really great idea. If you're gonna be having kids over or grown-ups, it doesn't matter. These are really easy to make. You can make them well in advance, stow them in your fridge, and you can mix up your flavors and make whatever you like. Today we're gonna make 3 different kinds, and what I have done in advance is I went ahead and I bought 3 flavors of ice cream. We're gonna make 3 different kinds of ice cream sandwiches. I softened the ice cream and I spread it into foil pan, half of it like this, and I wrapped it in some parchment so that I would have approximately the size that I need to work with. So I've cookies and cream, caramel, and strawberry cheesecake. So I also have a plain graham cracker square, chocolate graham cracker squares, and cinnamon sugar graham cracker squares. So we're gonna be making a dulce de leche, a cookies and cream, and a strawberry New York cheesecake ice cream sandwich. And you can make these full size if you like. Molly thought that it would be better if we did them halvesies. The benefit of that is that everyone can have more than one ice cream sandwich. So you can see here, this is approximately the correct size that I need. When you soften your ice cream and you press it into your pan, then you will know that you have the right amount, and then you can just make your ice cream sandwiches just like that. And you can give these like a little gentle push, just like that, and then you want to stick these in the freezer ASAP. We're gonna make another one here, and you can also make your ice cream as thick or as thin as you like. If you so desire, you can gild the lily a little. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little bit of a drizzle of chocolate syrup, and then we'll put this on the top. And remember, you're gonna be putting these back in the freezer anyway, so that's gonna freeze up really nicely. And I'm gonna go ahead and do these, and they'll be back, and I'll show you how we're gonna make the dulce de leche ones. All right, now we're gonna make the dulce de leche ice cream sandwiches, and I think these are gonna be really awesome. So it makes it really simple if you have all of your stuff prepped in advance. Then you can just cut the ice cream the way that you need it. And I've gone ahead and I have spread some dulce de leche out of a can onto the one side of a cinnamon graham cracker. And boom, just like that, your ice cream sandwich is pretty much done. Now you want to return this to the freezer, of course, because you don't want to serve these when they're all squishy and slippy and slidey. You can always leave the caramel or the dulce de leche off. I'm probably going to do half and half. I did that with the cookies and cream version. And just give them a gentle push. It doesn't matter if it breaks because you're going to put it in the freezer anyway, and it's all going to adhere. I'm going to finish these up, then we'll come back and we'll do the New York strawberry cheesecake ones. And then lastly, we're going to be making these. These are strawberry cheesecake graham cracker ice cream sandwiches. Now, when you get everything all together, if you want to clean up the edges a bit, you can just take your knife and kind of run it around the edge. The ice cream is going to soften quickly, so you need to work pretty fast. But in the end, these are going to be fabulous. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys what these look like when they're all ready to go. You're going to want to keep these in your freezer for at least a couple of hours so that they set up just right, because you don't want these like melting instantly when you serve them to people. And it's always nice if you want to put these in a bowl or even serve them with a little spoon, a little ice cream spoon. Then people will be less inclined to make a mess. But you know, look at how pretty this looks like from the side with that pretty swirl. You can go any direction that you like. These really are, I think there's like French vanilla graham crackers that you can find also. So you can just kind of let your imagination be your guide. However you want to fill these is how you should do it. And when they're in the freezer, the graham cracker is going to soften up a bit, kind of like a real ice cream sandwich cookie, and it's going to be really easy to eat. So, I'll be back when it's time to have a look and try out these delicious summertime ice cream treats. There you have it, our graham cracker ice cream sandwiches, 3 ways, all ready to enjoy. Another really cool thing you can do is you can get either flat skewers or jumbo popsicle sticks and stick them in here after they're completely frozen, and then you can serve them to the kids out on the lawn like that. Or like I said earlier, put them in a bowl with a spoon, have some ice cream toppings on the side and some whipped cream, and you can have a little ice cream sandwich sundae bar, and it's super delicious. This is just a little extra level of decadence, but you can make it ahead. It's really easy, and you really aren't cooking anything as much as you're putting it together. And when you're planning a big party for your backyard or for your neighborhood, maybe you guys have a block party in your area, these are really fun to pull out after all of the hot dogs and the hamburgers and right before the fireworks start. You can make any combination that you like. Today we did cookies and cream with chocolate graham crackers, dulce de leche with salted caramel ice cream and cinnamon sugar graham crackers, and we did a strawberry cheesecake ice cream sandwich with just a traditional graham cracker square. You can also go and roll the sides in coconut crushed cookies, crushed graham cracker, toasted nuts, whatever your heart desires. You can make these as simple or as fancy as you want to. That is the beauty of this whole idea. Have at it, guys, because I think it's a lot of fun, and this is something that you can get your kids and your grandkids involved with. All you have to do is a little prep work ahead of time by softening and then pressing the ice cream into a pan and making it the desired thickness that you want. So that's it. I hope you give these a try. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my kitchen, you wandered on over to see what was going on, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you are a Trident member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so you get a push notification on your smart device or an email in your inbox every time we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give these graham cracker ice cream sandwiches a try sometime soon, and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.